Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look at some common names of some important parasites. And their common names. So the first one is we look at the heading of the trematodes. Under trematodes, the common name of oriental lung fluke. So this is nothing but the Paragnomus westermanni. Then the Fasciolopus busci, it is a giant intestinal fluke. It is a giant intestinal fluke. Now, when you look at the hepatica, the Fasciola hepatica, it is a sheep liver fluke. Sheep liver fluke. Then, when you look at the Clonorchis sinensis, so Clonorchis sinensis, it is a Chinese liver fluke and it is also the oriental liver fluke. The Schistosoma japonicum. What is the Schistosoma japonicum? The Schistosoma japonicum, it is an oriental blood fluke. The Clonorchis sinensis, it is a Chinese liver fluke. Next we move on to the cestodes. The cestodes, the Senia saginata, it is nothing but the beef tapeworm as we discussed earlier, and the Diphyllobothrium latum, it is the fish tapeworm. So what is a fish tapeworm? It is known as a Diphyllobothrium latum. The Taenia solium is known as a poke tapeworm. The H. nana is known as a dwarf tapeworm. So what is the dwarf tapeworm? The dwarf tapeworm is nothing but the H. nana. Now the Hymenolipis diminuta. The diminuta is nothing but the rat tapeworm. All these comes under the cestodes. So then moving on to the Diphylidium canium. Diphylidium canium. So Diphylidium canium, it is this is a double pored dog tapeworm. It is a double pored dog tapeworm. Next, moving on to the nematodes. So here in the nematodes, the parasite of Ascaris rhombicoides, it is nothing but the common roundworm. The Ankylostoma duodenale is the old word for hookworm. It is the hookworm. The Necata americans is the American of the New World hookworm. The Trichuris trichura is the whipworm. Then the Enterobius vermicularis is the thread or the pinworm. Pinworm is the Enterobius vermicularis. Next is the Draculus medinensis, it is a guinea worm. So this is the Draculus medinensis, this is the guinea worm. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.